Let's decorate this sheet cake together. Hi, my name is Funmi and you're welcome back to Bake with Funmi. So I'd already frosted and chilled this cake earlier with whipping cream, which is the same cream I'm using for the piping. And for the nozzle, the piping nozzle, I'm going to leave a picture of what it looks like on the screen, and also do check the description box for the name of the nozzle. So the piping tip I'm using right now is a Wilton 1E nozzle, and with these nozzles you can use it to achieve different piping techniques, but I also advise you get more than one of this nozzle because it comes in handy. Now this nozzle is a Wilton 1M, so I'm just piping based on how the spirit leads. So don't beat yourself up so much about the design you're trying to achieve. The piping nozzle is what is going to give your cake a unique look. So just go with the flow and just pipe as you wish, but not forgetting your other piping colors and nozzles to give you a very unique piping style. So the next nozzle I'm using is a Wilton D66, and this is how it looks. So the total number of nozzles I used to decorate this cake is just 3, which is what I've put up on the screen. But the rest of what I'm going to do now is just switch the piping technique to give it a different look, if you understand what I'm saying. So I'd like to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and thank you for liking my videos. And if you're watching for the first time, now is the right time to hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for now? Subscribe. Thank you. And please don't forget to give this video a like, and also leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know how well I'm doing, and please share this video as well so other people can see it and learn from it. Thank you. So as you can see, I've picked up the very first nozzle I started with, and I'm just making small dollops here and there just to cover some spaces, and I'm also going to make little swirls and just, like I said, just go with the flow. So if you'd like me to make a video on piping technique and using different nozzles, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to make such videos for you. So all I'm doing now, and the rest of what I'm going to be doing, is just to fill up some gaps that my eyes can catch that on the cakes. Just fill up some gaps with just little piping, and on the body there are some spaces that I just couldn't take my eyes off, so I had to just cover those scenes. So now I'm just going to place some beautiful butterflies just around some corners of the cake. And then I'm also adding the cake topper, which says "Happy Birthday, Mama." I'm just going to carefully place it on top of the cake without making a mess. So next I'm just placing some gold ridges around the cake just to make it look beautiful and make it pop, because you know everything looks beautiful with gold. Yeah. So I'm just placing some medium size and some small size and large size gold ridges around the cake. And this is the finished look of the cake, and it's looking beautiful. So I'm just, if you can see closely, I'm just using my scraper to just clean the board to make it look neat, and we're done with this cake. So I'm just making some last minute adjustments with the butterflies and just see and place them where they're meant to be. I hope you like the cake. I hope you're going to replicate this, and I hope you're going to give it your own unique style. And when you do, or if you do, please tag me on Instagram at Bake with Funmi, or you can email me your picture and I'll be glad to receive it. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.